Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy an image from one place to a selected destination on a Mac computer using terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer to be able to use the terminal, implement the terminal commands for a given purpose. So we can now start the tutorial, go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application terminal. Should be built into the Mac computer itself. If not, you can download. However, it is so. Let's just increase the size of terminal as well as the text size on screen. Let's also go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Finder, not minimize, but decrease the size of the Finder window itself so we can then see what is happening on a simultaneous level. So Finder has now been decreased. Let's now go to the desktop, take the photo that we have on screen, just copy this, Command V to paste, rename this to image 1, and this is the image that we will be moving from the desktop to the documents folder itself. So let's go back to terminal, clear everything on screen, CD, ls-l, let's navigate to the desktop, ls-l, and there we have image 1 on screen. To move, to copy the image from the desktop to the documents folder, this is the command on screen, cp tilde, which is option and n, / desktop, tab, locate the image, tab, and then tilde again, option N, / documents, tab, enter, and there you go. The image from the desktop has now been copied from the desktop to the documents folder. So we can now quit documents, clear the terminal, quit the terminal, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.